Shalom everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, we're going to learn something really special, how to say the Jewish blessings or brachot on food and drink in Hebrew. These blessings help us acknowledge and appreciate that what we eat and drink is a gift from the Creator of the world. In Jewish tradition, before we eat or drink, we say a blessing to recognize that everything belongs to God. By blessing first, we're given permission to enjoy the food. And after we finish, we say another blessing to give thanks and ask that the food nourishes us, keeps us healthy, and brings us happiness. Today, we'll go over the blessings we say before we eat and drink. So, let's get started. There are 6 main blessings for food and drinks, each one for a specific category. Here's a quick overview. HaMotsi, lechem min HaAretz, is for bread. Borei, Minei, Mezonot, is for baked goods made with flour like cake and pasta. Borei, Pri HaGafen, for wine and grape juice. Borei, Pri HaEts, for fruits that grow on trees. Borei, Pri HaAdama, for vegetables and plants that grow from the ground. Shehakol nihye bidvaro, for all other foods and drinks. Let's start with the blessing on the bread. Bread is considered very important in Judaism, and so it has its own blessing. Baruch Ata Adonai Eloheinu Melech HaOlam HaMotsi Lechem Min HaAretz. Baruch, blessed. Baruch. Ata, you are. Ata. Adonai, the Lord. Adonai. Eloheinu, our God. Eloheinu. Melech HaOlam, the King of the universe. Melech HaOlam. HaMotsi, who brings out. HaMotsi. Lechem, bread. Lechem. Min, from. Min. HaAretz, the earth. HaAretz. And we'll go over the whole blessing one more time. Baruch Ata Adonai Eloheinu Melech HaOlam HaMotsi Lechem Min HaAretz. The next blessing is Borei Minei Mezonot, which we use for non-bread food products made from 5 types of grain: wheat, barley, rye, spelt, and oats, and for rice. And as you can see, the beginning is the same for all blessings. Baruch Ata Adonai Eloheinu Melech HaOlam Borei Minei Mezonot. Baruch, Baruch, Ata, Ata, Adonai, Adonai, Eloheinu, Eloheinu, Melech HaOlam, Melech HaOlam, Borei, the creator of. Borei, Minei, types of. Minei, Mezonot, foods. Mezonot. Let's go over the whole blessing once again. Baruch Ata Adonai Eloheinu Melech העולם, בורא, מיני, מזונות. Our next blessing is Borei, Pri HaGafen, which is a blessing we say on wine and grape juice. Baruch Ata Adonai, Eloheinu Melech HaOlam, Borei Pri HaGafen. Baruch Ata Adonai, Eloheinu Melech HaOlam, Borei, the creator of, Borei, Pri, the fruit of, Pri HaGafen, the vine, HaGafen. Let's go over the whole blessing one more time. Baruch Ata Adonai, Eloheinu Melech HaOlam, Borei Pri HaGafen. Our next blessing is Borei Pri HaEts, which is a blessing on fruits of the tree. Baruch Ata Adonai, Eloheinu Melech HaOlam, Borei Pri HaEts. Baruch Ata Adonai, Eloheinu Melech HaOlam, Borei, the creator of, Borei, Pri, the fruit of, Pri HaEts, the tree, HaEts. And one more time for the whole blessing. Baruch Ata Adonai, Eloheinu Melech HaOlam, Borei Pri HaEts. Our next blessing is Borei Pri HaAdama, which is a blessing on fruits and vegetables from the ground. Baruch Ata Adonai, Eloheinu Melech HaOlam, Borei Pri HaAdama. Baruch Ata Adonai, Eloheinu Melech HaOlam, Borei, the creator of, Borei, Pri, the fruit of, Pri HaAdama, the earth, HaAdama. Baruch Ata Adonai, Eloheinu Melech HaOlam, Borei Pri HaAdama. The last blessing is Shehakol Nihye Bidvaro, which is a general blessing on all other foods and drinks. Baruch Ata Adonai, Eloheinu Melech HaOlam, Shehakol Nihye Bidvaro. Baruch, blessed, Baruch. Ata, you are, Ata. Adonai, the Lord, Adonai. Eloheinu, our God, Eloheinu. Melech HaOlam, the King of the universe, Melech HaOlam. Shehakol, that everything, Shehakol. Nihye, came to be, Nihye. Bidvaro, by his word, Bidvaro. Baruch Ata Adonai, Eloheinu Melech HaOlam, Shehakol Nihye Bidvaro. let's go over some more information about the blessings. If you are eating a few items from the same category, for example, an apple and a pear, and you already said a blessing on one of them, you don't have to say it again before eating the second one. If you're eating a meal consisting of different types of food, each of which is blessed with a different blessing, you only say the blessing for the main food among them. Bread and wine are considered more important, and therefore there is no need for a separate blessing for other things you eat or drink with them. For example, if you already said the blessing over the bread at the beginning of the meal, there is no need to say another blessing over the meat and mashed potatoes served at the same meal. And that's it! Now you know the blessings for different foods and drinks in Hebrew. Remember, each blessing helps us recognize that our food is a gift from God and connects us to something greater each time we eat or drink. I hope this video has helped you learn and appreciate these special blessings. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video if you found it helpful. If you want to learn more and to support the channel so I can continue creating content for you, join my Patreon page. You can find the link in the description below.